Welcome to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you here. Today we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling cleaning and maintenance products on Amazon. These top-rated items are sure to make your home sparkle and shine. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's move right along to our fifth pick, the unique Scrub It RV Toilet Bowl Cleaner Liquid. Specifically designed for RV and boat toilets, this product is your new go-to for maintaining pristine conditions in your mobile bathroom. First, let's talk about its cleaning power. This remarkable hybrid of liquid and gel clings and coats the toilet bowl, ensuring that those powerful enzymes can get to work. Stubborn rings, stains, and debris don't stand a chance, and say goodbye to urine odors, thanks to its bioenzymatic cleaner formula. It's a powerful solution that's also gentle, free from bleach and caustic chemicals, unscented and emitting no VOCs. But there's more. Scrub It enhances the RV black tanks by injecting beneficial probiotics and enzymes, helping break down and eliminate human waste and toilet paper. Whether you're at home or in a campground, it's septic safe. And it's not just safe, it's beneficial. It lubricates seals, valves, and gaskets, ensuring longevity and smooth operation. Safe for porcelain, ceramic, and plastic bowls, this cleaner complies with all state dumping laws, giving you peace of mind wherever your travels take you. Unique Scrub It is truly unique. Family-owned, formulated, and manufactured in Arvada, Colorado, it's a product born from passion and expertise. It's California compliant, recommended by RV techs, and carried by thousands of retailers from coast to coast. With 24 uses in a 24-ounce bottle, the squirt top dispenser makes application easy and efficient. So if you're looking for a cleaner that does more than just clean, one that enhances and protects, the unique Scrub It RV Toilet Bowl Cleaner Liquid is your perfect choice. Try it today and experience the difference for yourself. Moving right along to number 4 on our countdown, we have the Dicor 501 LSW1 Self-Leveling Lap Sealant, conveniently offered in a pack of 4. This product is a game changer for anyone looking to secure their RV or any other structure with utmost precision and reliability. Let's dive into its primary function. This sealant creates a secure secondary seal along the roof's edges, air vents, vent pipes, and even screw heads. Its adherence is truly remarkable, sticking firmly to aluminum, mortar, wood, vinyl, galvanized metal, fiberglass, and concrete. This isn't just a sealant, it's a versatile solution for a multitude of surfaces. One of the standout features of the Dicor 501 LSW1 is its compatibility with EPDM and TPO sheeting. This means you can use it on a variety of roofing materials without any worries, and it doesn't just adhere, it self-levels. Imagine the ease of application. No mess, no fuss, just a clean, professional finish every time. The white color of the sealant ensures it blends seamlessly with most roofing materials, maintaining the aesthetic integrity of your structure. But don't let the clean appearance fool you. This sealant is tough and reliable. However, it's essential to note that this item expires 2 years after the manufacturer's stamped date. So, while stocking up is a great idea, be mindful of the shelf life to ensure optimal performance. In essence, the Dicor 501 LSW1 Self-Leveling Lap Sealant offers a robust and flexible solution for sealing and protecting various surfaces. Whether you're tackling a big project or performing routine maintenance, this product promises durability and ease of use. Try it out and experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing your work is secured by the best in the business. Moving right along to our number 3 pick, we have the Dicor BT 1834-1 Butyl Seal Tape. This versatile tape is an absolute must-have for anyone looking to tackle repairs on their RV, trailer, motorhome, windows, or vents. Let's start with its primary use. Ideal for sealing uniquely shaped joints, this tape installs quickly and seamlessly, leaving no gaps. Because it comes in a continuous roll, you can easily apply it without worrying about skips or runs in the seal. The ease of application is unmatched. Just stick it on and watch it conform to any smooth or irregular surface. including those tricky S-locks and unusual patterns. Now, let's talk about its compatibility. This tape provides an instant and permanent seal underneath the caulk and frame system, offering a double barrier of leak protection. It's the ultimate safeguard against leaks, ensuring that your repairs stand the test of time. The Dicor BT 1834-1 Butyl seal tape isn't just about ease of use, it's about strength and flexibility. Featuring a high-tack adhesive combined with flexible elastomers, this tape provides a robust and flexible bond. It's designed to handle the rigors of both smooth and irregular surfaces, making it a versatile tool in your maintenance arsenal. Measuring 1/8 inches x 3/4 inches x 30, this roll is perfectly sized for a variety of applications, providing ample length to handle multiple projects. Whether you're sealing windows, vents, or any other component on your RV or trailer, this tape is designed to deliver exceptional results every time. In summary, the Dicor BT 1834-1 Butyl seal tape is your go-to solution for effective, reliable, and easy sealing. Its high-tack adhesive, flexible nature, and seamless application make it an indispensable tool for anyone serious about maintenance and repairs. Try it today and experience the difference. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling cleaning and maintenance products on Amazon? Well, make sure to scrub in some love, like subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a squeaky clean update. Now, let's dive into number 2 on our list. The Chemical Guys CWS 20,716 Extreme Body Wash and Wax Foaming Car Wash Soap. If you're looking for a car wash soap that does it all, you've just found it. First off, let's talk history. This product has been a top performer since 2010. That's over 12 years of consistently delivering clean and shiny vehicles. With over 14,000 glowing reviews, Extreme Wash and Wax stands out in a crowded market. Don't just take our word for it, check out the reviews and ratings. The secret to its success? Foam and shine. This product creates thick, dirt-fighting bubbles that leave your car, truck, SUV, RV, or Jeep sparkling clean. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional detailer, you'll appreciate how easy it is to achieve a perfect wash every time. Flexibility is key. Use it with a wash mitt and bucket, a foam gun connected to your garden hose, or a foam cannon hooked up to your pressure washer. Extreme Wash and Wax adapts to your preferred washing method, delivering loads of foam and suds no matter how you wash your ride. Ease of use? Absolutely. Chemical Guys designed this soap to be user-friendly for beginners, while still delivering professional-grade results. Made in the USA, it's a product you can trust. A little goes a long way. Just 3 ounces of this concentrated formula in a 5-gallon wash bucket, or a 32-ounce solution tank for your foam cannon or gun, is all you need. Experience a foam frenzy with minimal effort. And let's not forget the experience. The Grape scent makes washing your car not just a chore, but an enjoyable activity. The result? A fantastic shine that makes your vehicle look brand new. Finally, its pH-balanced formula is gentle on all exterior parts of your vehicle. Safe on paint, clear coat, polished metals, glass and plastic trim, it won't strip wax or stain rubber parts. It's also safe for waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings. In summary, the Chemical Guys Extreme Body Wash and Wax Foaming Car Wash Soap is the ultimate choice for anyone serious about keeping their vehicle clean and shiny. Try it out and transform your car washing routine into an enjoyable and rewarding experience. And now, we've reached the pinnacle of our countdown. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Dicor 501 LSW1 HAPS-Free Self-Leveling Lap Sealant, an absolute game-changer for RV roofing, maintenance, and repair. First, let's talk about its primary function. Specifically designed for RV roofing, this lap sealant is sunray stabilized. This means it won't spoil or discolor over time, maintaining the pristine look of your RV roof. No more worrying about unsightly stains or discolorations. This sealant keeps your roof looking stylish and beautiful with its white hue. Ease of use is paramount. The Dicor 501 LSW1 is self-leveling, ensuring a smooth and even application on horizontal surfaces. No more uneven patches or mess, just a clean, professional finish every time. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, you'll appreciate the simplicity and effectiveness of this product. Now, let's delve into its versatility. This sealant works seamlessly with EPDM, TPO, and PVC membranes. But that's not all. It adheres firmly to a wide range of materials, including aluminum, mortar, wood, vinyl, galvanized metal, fiberglass, and concrete. Such compatibility makes it an invaluable tool for any maintenance or repair job. Contained in a 10.3 ounces tube, it's the perfect size for handling multiple applications. You get enough product to cover your needs without any wastage, making it both practical and economical. In summary, the Dicor 501 LSW1 HAPS-Free self-leveling lap sealant stands out as the ultimate solution for RV roofing maintenance and repair. Its sunray stabilization, easy application, and broad compatibility make it a top choice for ensuring your RV remains in peak condition. Try it today and see why it's earned its place as the #1 product in our countdown. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling cleaning and maintenance products on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top-rated items, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.